Cool. Hello and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to do cursive letter D, capital and lowercase. Remember, with left-handed students, they have to tilt their paper. The right corner of the paper goes down and the left corner of the paper goes up. When you hold your pencil, you're supposed to hold it between the index finger, the pointer finger, and the thumb. And the thumb helps to stabilize so you can move your pencil in different directions. Now, all of your cursive letters are supposed to slant. The slant is going to be in this direction. Okay, so it won't be straight up and down on the paper. It'll be slightly slanted. So, cursive capital D. You start right at the top blue line of the manuscript paper. You go down at a slant to the bottom red line. Once you get to the bottom red line, you touch the red line, come back up with a small loop. Then you go back over and curve at the bottom of the red line. Bring your pencil up to where you started and make a loop at the top. Let's try that again. So you start at the top at the blue line. You go slightly at a slant down. You meet the red line and you curve and make a loop. Cross over that line, go back down to the red line, curve up, and go all the way up back to the blue line, meet where you started, and make your loop. Cursive D. Let's do that again. Start at the top, right at the blue line. Go down at a slant. Go down to the red line, meet the red line, curve up, make a little loop, cross the line, go back down to the red line, curve up, meet where you started, and then make your loop. Cursive D. The more you practice, remember, the better you get. So take the time right now to make a few cursive D's on your paper. Don't forget to slant your line. All right. Now, lowercase d. Lowercase d starts at the middle dotted line. Lowercase d starts off kind of like lowercase a. You have to make your oval. Start right just below that dotted blue line. Make your oval, touch the red line. Go back up, meet where you started, but you have to pass it and go up all the way to the blue line. And then you trace back down and make your tail. Let's do that again. Right below the dotted blue line, you want to start your oval. Don't forget to slant up. Slant your line. Now, this one has a better slant than the first one that I made. I took my time with this one. So when you practice and you take your time, they'll get better. Do it again right below the dotted middle line. Start your curve, curve down to the red line. Come back up and meet that line, slant that line. Trace it back down and make your tail. Think that one's even better. Do it again. Take your pencil up to the middle dotted line and curve around to the red line. Go up and meet the line, slant, come back down, make your tail. Good. So, today we went over capital D, and lowercase d. Great. The more that you practice, the better they get. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.